Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. Okay, so today I'm taking you guys to Limuru. This is a vlog. I'm going to do an outdoor workout in Limuru, and without any further ado, let's go. Guys, we are at somewhere near Limuru. I'm about to do a fitness workout video for you guys. So this fitness workout video is going to go up on Friday. I'm going to do 3 parts or 2 parts because I cannot travel all the way from Nairobi to this place, to Kiambu County, to just come and do a video, just one video. Kairetu, it is this Kiambu County? Yeah, I was right, it's Kiambu County. So I cannot. As I had said earlier, I was coming to shoot an outdoor fitness video for you guys, and that is what we're about to do. But first we're going to check some pics and then we do that. And then I'm supposed to show you my outfits of the day. So I'm wearing, let me just show you. Guys, listen, where we are shooting for the fitness video, some guys came and they wanted to arrest us that we are trespassing, and they're like, we didn't even know, and there's no kibao that we're trespassing. Like, they wanted to arrest us, take us to the police station, and we were like, we didn't even know, chill. Okay, that guy. Hello guys, so this is 2 days after I went to Limuru to do the workout video, and let me tell you a story. We almost got arrested. So I'm busy doing my workout, and then a white pickup pulls up, and these guys shook up with their security guys, and they're like, we are arresting you because you have trespassed and this is a private property. Wait a minute. First of all, we didn't know that this was a private property. If we did, we wouldn't even have gone there to do whatever it is that we were doing, because that would have been wrong. So this guy, were trying to explain to him, no, we didn't know. Okay, let us just pack up our things and leave. And he didn't want to hear any of it. He wanted to arrest us, but thank God for his partner, who was more reasonable, talked to him and he let us be. So we just packed up, went to another place, and filmed our video. So we thank God for that reasonable guy that was there, and that is how life is, isn't it? Like, for every 3 people, there's at least 1 or 2 reasonable people, and there's always that one person who is always just troublesome. Yeah, anyway, we did our workout video. I know by the time you see this vlog, you've already seen the part 1 of the workout video. So I'm headed to my friend's house for lunch and a sleepover and gossip, of course, catch up, just talk about life. And I'm just going to show you my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this denim top, this wash blue denim top with a white camisole, and with a black camisole rather, and white tights. I'm just going to pop up a video here for you guys to see. So let me see you on the other side. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog, because I'm really bad at this vlogging thing, I've just realized. So see you then, and I hope this vlog is going to make sense also. Bye bye. I'm babysitting, guys. So I got to my friend's place safely. I'm the one who was coming with lunch. Yeah, imagine me mgeni ndio natuma chakula. So I came with chicken. That is what we are having. Look at what that chicken did to me. I came with a matri, of course, so I was carrying the chicken. on my laps, and this is what happened. So let me go back and babysit. We're going to bake later. I'm also going to show you that. I'm also going to show you the chicken that she's going to cook. So let me see you in a bit. Actually, ready in babysit. What's up? Yeah? What's up? Wanna be relax? What's up? So we're in the supermarket. We came to do some shopping. How do even people vlog in public places? Because he was staring at me and I'm shy like shit. Everyone is staring at me. And I'm looking for places in the supermarket where there's no one looking at me. So we've come to buy a few things here. Let me just show you. Oh, no. Ini kubwa, ini how much? Sonne. Ini 400. Yeah, but it's worth it. It's big, eh? Yeah. Tea masala? Tea masala, jip. Yeah. Alikuwa amesema kitu kama garlic or something, ama?
Tea masala na hiyo na pilau masala.
I'm soon getting married to a white man so that I can be able to eat these things. Italian dressing, I don't know, French dressing. Kuna mpaka Kenyan dressing sasa ama? Thousand Islands. These kwa? These are supposed to be kwa salad. Welcome to Europe. And then this one is the one that I always see cartoons putting in their whatever bread. Sindio, Jesse? Si cartoon wanekanga kwa mkate unaonanga? So guys, my friend is telling me that nutmeg comment down below, let me know is it true or not. Have you ever had this? What did it do to you? This one has a very nice package. This is Thai coconut cream. So this one you will be experiencing Thailand. Let us look for the local ones. Hey, this one 230. Okay, we don't. Okay, Ken Taste 227 coconut cream. Ken Taste naongana products poa.
Yeah.
So we have settled for this one because it is Kenyan. We are supporting Kenyan brands. Guys, tell me, what does someone do with githeri masala? Like, it's supposed to do what to githeri? I don't understand. I'm shooketh that we have recipe for everything. Kesho utakuwa umena masala nini? Where are my sisters? We are not stopping at chocolates only. We have coconut and almond milk. This is soap. There is strawberry and milk, aloe vera, green tea. Oh my god, is it food or soap? Shea butter and honey. Hey. We're about to smell yummy. I am tired. I am done. I'm just ready to go home. Wow. I've just been here 5 minutes and I can't just wait to go home. Umebakisha? Happy too. So. Hi guys. So we are back from the supermarket. Showered. We want to have dinner and then watch a movie. So let me see you guys tomorrow as we bake salsa. Good night. Good morning guys. So we are about to make breakfast. I'm going to bake some cinnamon rolls, hoping that they don't backfire. Don't worry about this kitamba. We are serious about the chef baking knife. Or my hair is just shaggy. So let's just get to baking. Guys, these are the cinnamon rolls. They are ready. We are about to have breakfast. Let me just show you under natural light how they look. This is how they look. So let me see you on Friday for the workout video. Sawa sawa. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.